Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayesha Siddiqa. I'm Global Master Trainer in Drug Demand Reduction. I'm working in the field of addiction and treatment from last 14 years and worked on the various platforms including Government of Pakistan, UNODC, Colombo Plan and INL. Dr. Nadeem Ahmed is one of our seasoned professional of Pakistan. He's also working on global platforms, and I must say that one of his credit is he is one and only Pakistani who passed the international exam of addiction professionals on level 3, that is the highest level so far. Regarding his work, I'm very much excited and I'm very happy that he started his YouTube channel, and also he's working on the various dimensions like including mental health, addiction treatment, and also prevention. I wish him best of luck for the future endeavors, and he is one of the person he who are actually the true human eye, because he always feel for the people. I saw him, he is concerns about his clients, and also like his poetry because he's a poet as well. He has a lot of talent and a lot of virtues. I wish him best of luck for the future endeavors. Thank you.